making his way into the ring from Atlanta, Georgia, 218 pounds. This is Wildfire Tommy Rich.
Well, let's find out just how valid Miss York's computer program is.
And introducing his opponent from the financial district of Lower Manhattan in New York City, accompanied to the ring by his administrative assistant Alexander York at 243 pounds, Michael Wall Street.
Is he wrestling's version of J.R. Ewing? That music is almost indicative of that. Well, we heard the comments early in the program that she's got the computer program there. But early in our broadcast, according to their information, he will beat Tommy Wildfire Rich in 6 minutes or less. Now, when the bell sounds, we'll have our clock on that one, where you'll be able to follow it, fans at home, and we'll see just exactly if Ms. York's research and her computer data is valid.
Well, we're going to see how accurate she is, and this is something we've been wanting to do, Jim, in recent weeks, is to check it out and just see. They've said, hey, you can do it in such and such minutes. We've always taken that for granted. We're going to find out. As you say, we're going to put the clock on it this week. That's a big order, Jim.
Collar and elbow tie-up, nice arm drag takeover. Tommy Rich with the early advantage here. Miss Alexander York constantly inputting into her laptop computer some type of data as she stays at ringside during these contests. Good reversal by Tommy Wildfire Rich. And one thing about Tommy Rich, he's always been, I think, as tenacious as anybody in the sport. And it's almost insulting for Rich to hear that he's going to lose in 6 minutes or less.
Yeah, I mean, here's a man that has been in against the greats in this sport, Jim, Wildfire Tommy Rich, and for Michael Wall Street to say, I'm going to take you out, guy, and I'm going to do it in 6 minutes or less, as you say, I think is a tremendous
high cross body.
insult.
He may have him here. 1, 2 and a half, and boy, Rotunda, or excuse me, Michael Wall Street comes up with a very concerned, perhaps bewildered look on his face.
Well, there's no doubt that money has changed this man, Michael Wall Street. Greed, I guess, they say it can do tremendous things to you, and it certainly has changed this man.
Wall Street catches Tommy Rich with a knee in the abdomen area. Tommy Rich, big favorite here at center stage. He's from right here in Atlanta. Elbow as Rich came off the ropes. Wall Street caught him with that elbow. Drops the elbow on him, and now Wall Street's opening up the offense. A succession of elbow drops. The leg is Grapevine on top, but Rich got the shoulder up.
Had him for the count of 2, Jim, almost a pin. Wall Street is determined that with his money and his ability, and hey, let's don't overlook that. Here's a guy that's got a bundle of ability, a sack full of it, as Michael Wall Street, but he's determined he's going to rule this profession.
He's involved in that big rematch with Terry Taylor tomorrow in the main event. And he went to the corner for a shoulder block. And the former outstanding athlete from Syracuse is now being hammered by Tommy Rich, who Irish strips Wall Street, catches him coming off. And now Rich is dominant on top. Lateral press, and Wall Street kicked out.
Neckbreaker.
Good move by Tommy Rich. On top again. And you can hear that 1, the 2, and Wall Street up quickly with a right hand. Inside cradle. Wall Street had that right shoulder up. Tommy couldn't quite get the hole cinched in, Bob.
Well, I tell you, can see outside of the ring, Alexandra York, I don't know how much confidence she's got in that computer of hers, Jim, but she's pacing very nervously outside, and well, she should be.
You know, we're about halfway through this situation, and he's not looking too good as far as his prediction is concerned.
No, if anything, Jim, I would think that right now that it's Wildfire Tommy Rich that's carrying the action. He's taking it to Michael Wall Street.
On top, again, another near fall as Tommy Rich, I think, is taking this very personally.
We may have to throw that computer right out the window after this match.
Tommy Rich now, again, going for the cover. Man, he's wrestling a real offensive match here against Michael Wall Street. Catches him with the elbow.
I think that's very smart on Rich's part, too, Jim, is to come out and really come at him and fight him. Stand toe-to-toe. Don't back up. And don't be timid at all. And
What a
he certainly
tackle.
hasn't been.
Rotunda rakes the eyes. They really collided there on that tackle.
Lost him.
Rich is back up on the apron. And Wall Street drops it. He's got the ropes. He's got the ropes, and he pinned him. Rich had it going his way. Wall Street used the ropes to pin him, and he pinned him in under 6 minutes, as you can see.
Michael Wall Street.
A look of arrogance.
Oh, my heavens. I don't know, Jim, the validity of the computer or whether you got to say it was the ropes in this instance or not, but at least the prediction certainly held true. There's that tremendous collision, and underneath the rope went Wildfire Tommy Rich. Wall Street got up, looked stunned for a moment, looked like he had lost Rich. He couldn't find him. Then watch this move.
Tommy Rich attempted the sunset flip there. Wall Street, now watch, his hands are not on the rope. The referee gets out of position. He holds the rope. He wins it in under 6 minutes. I guess you got to say the computer is still right. Rick Steiner, Michael Hayes, they're next on TBS.